Hi, everybody. It's Miss Loyacano, and I'm so glad to have you here in my home. So today I'm going to go through the one assignment, the reading assignment. So um, you'll see on my screen, this is all the information that you have at home. If you picked up a packet, if you didn't, it's on the link. So the first passage that you're going to read is How Pizza Conquered America. Conquered is to take over something. Um, so I don't know about you, but I love pizza. Who loves pizza? Give me a thumbs up. Awesome. So we're going to read this article. Frank Mastro helped turn an Italian dish into an American classic. So why have you never heard of him? Good question. This article is written by Anne Straycheshire, and it's a Storyworks Scholastic from October 2018. So let's just go ahead and think about this article. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to read this article. Okay. It's only 2 pages, 3 pages. Okay. All the way to page 7. Okay. And then you're going to go into Google Classroom or the link that I gave you on the email or class tag. And if you'll see that it says the reading assignment, you must read the article, How Pizza Conquered America first. Then you're going to take notes in the slide. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you just click on this slide right here. See where it says type here? That's what you're going to type. So you just start typing. You don't need to do anything. So see how, so type here, How Pizza Conquered America is the title. So I'm thinking the genre. So that I'm going to click here on the genre. So what is the genre? Fiction? Is it nonfiction? Is it a poem? Is it drama? Whatever you think it is, that's where you're going to type it. Okay. Then it says, what's the topic? Well, what's the topic? Type it there. After you read the article, when you double click on here, you highlight it, then you can start typing. Don't move the boxes. Just click on where it says the type here. What's the main idea? Remember, the main idea is what the article is mainly about. Okay. And then the details. What are the details? Like who was in the article? What happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? How did it happen? So these are all the elements that you're going to type in here. And I will tell you, those who write complete sentences or type complete sentences will get higher scores. It'll be an automatic 95 if you write complete sentences and finish this assignment. So this is not a hard assignment. So you're going to put all of your information. So the next one is theme. Remember, what can you learn from this? What's the message? What did you think that the author, what did he want to teach us in this? After you read the whole thing, like think about it. And then the author's purpose. Why did he write it? Like, was his purpose to inform us? Was his purpose to teach us something? Was his purpose to compare and contrast? Was his purpose to show us differences? Was his purpose to comical, to make us laugh? Did you laugh? Was his purpose to persuade us? Like, did he persuade you to go out and buy pizza and make pizza? Like, or was his purpose to describe things? Remember, descriptive language. Did he describe things? So, sorry. All right, so think about that. After you read that article, you're going to complete this left side. Then you're going to go back to your packet and you're going to read Sushi Takes Over: How a Japanese Businessman Convinced Americans to Eat Raw Fish by Christine Lewis. Now, I don't know about you, but not everybody likes sushi, but I do. I like sushi. Put some hand sanitizer on my hands. So, how did we start eating raw fish? Because think about that. I'm just going to read like the first part of it. It said it was in 1964, and Nor Toshi Kani Kane had recently arrived in Los Angeles from Japan. An ambitious businessman, ambitious, which means he had big ideas, big goals. He wanted to make a lot of money. He was ambitious. Connie was convinced he could be a success in America. Okay, so now you're going to read this article. It's one page. That's it, one page. Then you're going to go back to your link here. You're going to type in the title. You're going to type in the genre. Think about what's the genre. Was it fiction, nonfiction, poetry, drama? Type that in. What was the topic? What was the main topic? Remember, where can we look for the topic, guys? In the title. It's at the top. The topic is always in the title. All right, and then the main idea. What was the main idea of House Sushi? What were the details? Complete sentences. Write that in this section right here. The theme. What do you think we learned from this? And then the author's purpose. Did he inform us? Did he give us some descriptive details? Did he compare and contrast? Did he persuade us to do something? And then I want y'all to look at this third column. This is where you're going to make a decision as a reader on how are these articles the same? How are they different? How are they the same? And how are they different? And you're going to, what was the main idea? Were the main ideas the same? Were the details the same? Were there some specific details that were the same or some specific details that were different? Was the theme different? Was the theme the same? And was the author's purpose different? And the author's purpose the same? So you're going to complete this. This is going to be a grade. So once you've complete this and you've read these two articles, you're golden. Remember, you don't have to save anything because if you clicked on this in the Google Classroom, it automatically puts your name on it. So I've already assigned it. I'm about to assign it right now. And under the assignment, I'm going to add this video right here so that you can complete it. All right. If you have any questions, I say, now click. I'm clicking assign right now. Assign. And so it actually puts it in the assignment. In reading it, saving it right now as we speak. So notice it's at the very top. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at the top, but I'm going to actually move it to, I'm just going to leave it at the top. So you just click on this, you click on your slide and look, right now you have to turn it in. So you have to click turn in, if you have any questions, type them in here, but I'm also going to be available for you. Type any class comments right here. So you would type any questions you have for me right here. Okay. And I'm also going to add this video and I'll be available on Tuesday at 5 o'clock for our Zoom meeting if you have any questions. All right. Happy reading.